In a world where animals claim the reins of power, a diverse council of urban foxes, bats, and octopuses shapes a new order. They orchestrate a pivotal event, a citywide blackout that reveals vulnerabilities in human infrastructure, forcing negotiations. The episode traces how humans must relearn water, energy, and empathy as nests, ports, and alleys become shared spaces. Surprises unfold as rival species exploit the disruption to push for new rights, while others offer technocratic expertise to restore balance. The finale asks viewers to ponder ecological balance and whether coexistence can outlive fear, inviting reflection on responsibility across species.